In this tutorial I'm going to show you a more advanced way of having text wrap around an image in a Scribus document. So we'll quickly set up our document same way as last time. Remove the grid, open our properties window, insert a large text box, fill it with some sample text, English, and that's one column. I'm going to go to shape, change the columns to 2 and press enter. Okay, there's the document ready to go. This time we go directly to inserting an image. So we select image frame, draw it where I want it, somewhere in the center, right click and choose get image. In this case it's our Dracula mask. I'm just going to delete this other image out of my way for now. Okay, Dracula mask JPEG image. As always we need to scale it to frame size and then adjust the frame to suit the shape of the image. Alright, there we have it. At the moment it's sat on top of the text, so next thing to do is go to shape and tell the text to flow around the frame. But of course there is no padding here, the text is right next to the frame. To alter that we choose use contour line and then edit shape. This is a very complicated looking box, but actually we're not going to use too much of it just now. We're going to edit contour line and then using the shrink or grow, which at the moment is by 5% at a time. There we go, 5% larger. We're altering this blue bounding box with its round nodes, and this is giving us the padding that we might want around the image. Okay, that could be great, but what if I wanted it to actually wrap around the shape of the Dracula head here? What I could do in that instance would be to add some more nodes, for example here and here, and then go to this which is move nodes and bring in the corner node here. Okay, but you can see the problem. This Dracula image isn't just the black head of Dracula, it has a white background. The background isn't transparent. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It means using GIMP, but it is something that you really do need to learn to do if you're creating complex page layouts. So I'm going to end the editing here for a moment. Okay, right click on the image and choose edit image. This will take me straight into GIMP by default. Okay, in GIMP I simply need to go to image mode and make sure that it's RGB. There it is, it's set as RGB already. If it wasn't, I would just select RGB, that's fine. Then I'm going to go to the colors menu and choose color to alpha, and this will by default make the background color transparent. Color to alpha, and there you go. In my preview you can see the white background here has become transparent. Click OK. Great, that's just what I was looking for. This is a JPEG image, we can see the name at the top. JPEGs cannot have transparent background. The file type you should use in general is .png pungs. These can have transparent backgrounds and have lots of colors like JPEGs, so they're a great choice. So what I'm going to do is go File, Save As, so I can change its file extension, not JPEG but png, PNG, and press enter. The defaults for the save should be just fine. Okay, I'm going to now close down GIMP and go back to my work. Okay, now I'm going to just for the moment untick this text flows around frame so we can see what happens. There you go, we can see the text disappearing behind my image at the moment. So what I want to do is right click and choose get image, and this time select the .png, and there's the difference. You can see the text behind the back. Okay, nearly finished. What we'll do now then is put the text flowing back around the frame. Use contour line is ticked already, and you can see the part of the contour line I changed earlier here is actually having an effect. I'm going to go back to edit shape, select edit contour line again, choose add nodes again, and I'm going to put a few nodes around the edge here in a way that will allow me to reshape this contour line such that it fits the shape of my image. Back here to move nodes, move the nodes that I need to move. Okay, let's have a look. Anything else? Do I like the way that flows? I think it's a little bit close here. I'm going to pull it away just a little. Okay, and you can play with it all day until you're happy with it. There you go. If I'm happy with that, I simply choose End Editing, and there you go. There's our finished job. If I just go into a print preview, perhaps we'll see it a little bit better. There you go. That's the sort of layout we're looking at. The print preview actually does it in very low quality, but you can certainly see the shape we're looking at. Okay, so a more advanced way, using nodes, using contour lines, of making text flow around images. Thank you for listening.